Why do powerful men fall for ordinary women? You've seen it 100 times, the billionaire, the prince, the star, and next to him, a woman the internet immediately dissects. Wait, why her? Today I'll show you the pattern, because it repeats in almost every one of these pairs, and it's checkable on you. Let's name the phenomenon honestly, because the whole internet gossips about it and nobody explains it. Why ordinary women marry extraordinary men? It looks like a glitch in the matrix. He could have anyone. Supermodels answer his texts, and he proposes to a publicist, a girl from a normal family, a woman the tabloids call, with barely hidden venom, unremarkable. The internet's theories are garbage. She trapped him. Midlife crisis. She must be amazing in ways we can't see. That last one is accidentally closest. They just can't name what. We can. Because when you run the compatibility on these pairs, and we have the same signature keeps appearing, not beauty, not pedigree, a specific energy flow, from her to him. To see it, you have to understand two facts about life at the top, and what wealthy men actually want in a woman follows directly from both. Fact 1. Unlimited choice. At his level, beauty is not scarce. It's ambient. Every room he enters is full of stunning, polished, willing women. You cannot impress a man with abundance by offering him more of what he swims in. Fact 2. Crushing load. Empires are heavy. Decisions, enemies, pressure, the constant math of who wants what from him. A man like that isn't shopping for decoration. He's starving for exactly one thing money has never once bought him. The woman next to whom he wins. That's the fortune code, and when it flows from a woman to a man, he becomes his best self in her presence. Deals close. Luck compounds. His mind quiets. He walks out of her orbit feeling invincible and walks back in to refuel. Men at this level are quietly, genuinely addicted to this because they've tasted everything else, and nothing else does it. So while the world sees ordinary, his system is reading the rarest asset in the room. What successful men look for in a wife isn't on her Instagram. It's in what happens to his life when she's near it. This also answers the question tormenting half my comment section. What makes a man commit to one woman over another when both are beautiful, both are smart, both are wife material? The base minimum has to be there, always. The attraction engine firing, psychological sync, a calm peace and provision index. No man builds a life inside friction. But among the women who clear that bar, the one who gets the ring is the one he cannot replace. Beauty is replaceable. The room is full of it. Great conversation is replaceable. The fortune code is not. A man doesn't commit to the most impressive woman. He commits to the one whose absence makes his life demonstrably worse, and whose effect the next woman almost never repeats. That's why her pairs confuse everyone. The world audits her looks. He's auditing his win rate. Which brings us to the search half of you typed to get here. How to make a successful man choose you. Wrong verb, darling. You don't make. With men who have everything, there is no leverage, no technique, no high-value behavior that manufactures addiction. Either your fortune code fires toward a specific man, or it doesn't. But here's what you can do, and it changes everything. Find out where you're the charm. The reading shows the fortune code direction in any specific pairing. With this man, are you the lucky charm he'll get addicted to, or pleasant company he'll enjoy and replace? Because somewhere out there is a man, possibly several, for whom you are the anomaly the internet will gossip about. The reading is how you stop guessing which one. The math, as always. You can spend years trying to out-beautiful an ocean of beautiful women, an arms race you're financing out of pocket. Or you can play the only game where you might hold a monopoly, less than a single blowout per reading, and you know with which man you're irreplaceable. The world asks, why her? The code answers, because next to her, he wins. Make sure the next her is you, with the right man. If you could know tonight which man's chart you light up, would you keep auditioning for the ones you don't? Links in the description. And tell me in the comments, which celebrity pair made you ask why her? I'll tell you what the code probably says. I rid everything. Don't leave your soft life to chance. Subscribe and start vetting by code.